Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you to Bird Paradise, a beautiful bird park in Singapore. This place is home to over 3,500 birds from over 400 species, so you're sure to see some amazing creatures. We were truly impressed by the variety of birds at Bird Paradise. We saw everything from small parrots to large cassowaries, and they were all so colorful and beautiful. It was heartwarming to see these birds flying around in the aviaries and wandering about. One of the things we loved most about Bird Paradise was the open concept where birds and visitors could mingle where possible. There were definitely feel-good moments seeing these creatures up close and personal, especially when they seemed to enjoy having playful interactions with visitors. We think it's important to conserve birds. Future generations can also appreciate their beauty. Birds play an important role in our ecosystems, and they help to keep our planet healthy. We need to do everything we can to protect them. In this video, we will be sharing with you some of the birds that you can see at Bird Paradise, as well as their conservation status according to the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. We hope that this video will help you to learn more about these amazing creatures and why it is so important to protect them. So without further ado, let's get started. lucky enough to witness the penguins' feeding frenzy. It was like a scene from a cartoon, with fish raining down from the sky and the penguins diving and swimming at great speed to catch them all. Hey everyone! Thanks for watching our video about the amazing birds at Bird Paradise. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures. As you saw, 20 of the 33 species featured in this video are considered to be of least concern. However, 13 of the species are near threatened, vulnerable, or endangered. This means that their populations are declining and they are at risk of extinction. The main threats to these birds are habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. Habitat loss is a major problem because it destroys the birds' homes and food sources. Hunters kill birds for food, sport, or to collect their feathers or other body parts. Birds that are captured for the pet trade may be injured or killed during capture, and they may also die during transportation or while in captivity. We, as humans, need to be more responsible in protecting these birds and their habitats. Every little bit helps. So let's all do our part to protect these irreplaceable creatures. Thanks for watching.